Hey there, want to improve your trading skill? Let's simplify trading indicators and help you identify the right times to enter and exit trades. Here's a straightforward approach. To begin with, many traders make the mistake of using too many indicators, leading to confusion. It's better to stick to just a few reliable indicators that work well together. To make things easier, we'll focus on using two free indicators in TradingView, since many traders use the free version. First, head over to the TradingView platform to get started. Then let's choose a chart and time frame. For this video, we'll use a gold 5-minute chart as an example, but don't feel limited by this choice. You're free to select whichever chart or time frame suits your trading strategy best. The process we're discussing can be applied to various charts and time frames, so feel free to experiment with different options. Next, let's add our first indicator, the ideal BB with MA, which is a powerful tool for traders. To add it on TradingView, follow these steps. First, find the indicators button on the platform toolbar. Once you've located it, click on it and a menu will appear. Now, search for ideal BB with MA in the search bar and click on the indicator once it shows up in the results. After that, the indicator will be added to your chart. Now that we've added the ideal BB with MA indicator, let's optimize its settings to better suit our trading strategy. Start by locating the indicator settings menu on the platform. Within the Input tab, make the following adjustments. Set the first length to 200. Then change the second length to 14. For EMA type, source, VWAP length, VWAP source, VWAP offset, and price data, keep the default settings as they are. Finally, set the lookback value to 45. Moving on to the Style tab, look for these options: NMA black line, VWAP midline, BB red line, BB top, BB bottom, short and long plots, and plots background. Disable all of them. So now by customizing these settings, the ideal BB with MA indicator will be tailored to your trading needs. Now that we've customized the settings for the ideal BB with MA indicator, you'll notice that it creates a colorful ribbon on the chart. This ribbon is essential for identifying potential buy and sell signals. Here's how to interpret the signals. When the ribbon changes color, it's giving you a clue about the market's direction. If it shifts to green, that's a buy signal, indicating that the price might go up. On the other hand, if the ribbon turns red, it is a sell signal, suggesting that the price could drop. It's essential to remember that trading in the direction of the overall market trend can significantly improve your trading success. So to ensure that the ideal BB indicator signals aligned with the market trend, we'll introduce another helpful tool, a trend detector indicator. But before we dive into that, let me share a useful resource for you. If you want access to excellent trading signals, consider joining our TradeGenius Telegram channel. Our community is here to support you on your trading journey. Find the link in the video description. Now let's get back to the second indicator. It is called the Relative Momentum Index, or RMI, a powerful indicator that can help you determine the market trend. To add the RMI indicator to your TradingView chart, follow these steps. First, find the indicators button on the platform's toolbar, just like we did with the ideal BB with MA indicator. Once you located it, click on it and a menu will appear. Now search for the Relative Momentum Index in the search bar and click on the indicator once it shows up in the results. After that, the RMI indicator will be added to your chart. To optimize the relative momentum index or RMI indicator, we'll need to adjust its settings, and here's how you can do it on TradingView. Start by locating the RMI settings menu on the platform. Once you open the settings, we'll focus on the input and style tab. In the input tab, set the length to 14 and the momentum length to 4. Moving on to the Style tab, disable the max level and min level options. Make sure the other levels are visible, as they will provide helpful information on the market's momentum. Additionally, disable the highline background options. And if you wish to personalize the RMI line, feel free to adjust its colors or thickness to make it more visible and easier to read. The relative momentum index has 3 crucial levels to help you gauge market momentum: level 70, level 50, and level 30. Understanding these levels will allow you to make better trading decisions. Here's how to interpret these levels. When the RMI line is white and fluctuates between level 30 and level 70, it indicates a low momentum market, meaning there's no enough power for a significant price movement. It's better to avoid trading during these times. On the other hand, if the RMI line turns green and rises above level 70, it signals that there's enough power for a bullish trend, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Conversely, if the RMI line turns red and drops below level 30, it signals that there's enough power for a bearish trend, which could present a selling opportunity. Now let's discuss how to enter, exit, and manage risk using these two indicators. Let's start with a buy trade. Before entering buy trade, we need to confirm two conditions. First, look for a buy signal from the ideal BB indicator. When the ribbon turns green, it indicates a potential buying opportunity. Next, seek for confirmation from the RMI indicator. The RMI line should be green and above level 70, which suggests enough momentum for bullish trend. So, once both conditions are met, it's time to open a buy trade. Then, set your stop loss at the most recent swing low, providing a safety net in case the market turns against you. And for the take profit target, aim for 1.5 times the risk, ensuring a favorable risk to reward ratio. Now let's learn how to enter, exit, and manage risk for a sell trade using these two indicators. Before initiating a sell trade, we need to confirm two conditions. First, watch for a sell signal from the ideal BB indicator. When the ribbon changes to red, it indicates a potential selling opportunity. Next, look for the confirmation from the RMI indicator. The RMI line should be red and below level 30, indicating sufficient momentum for a bearish trend. So once both conditions are met, proceed to open a sell trade. Then set your stop loss at the most recent swing high, protecting your position in case the market moves against you. For the take profit target, aim for 1.5 times the risk. And if you're looking to continue learning about trading strategies, the recommended video on the screen is a great option, especially tailored to complement the skills you just gained, providing additional insights and tips to help you become a more successful trader. Give it a watch. You might just discover something new. Happy trading!